Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do breakdance. We'll begin with top rock, the standing foundation of breakdancing. Start with your feet about shoulder width apart, letting your arms move naturally. Step one foot about 1 foot in front, crossing it over your other leg. Then, hop back to your starting position, landing on the beat. Practice this with both legs, adding arm movements to find your unique style. This helps build rhythm and confidence before moving to the floor. Next, let's tackle the 6-step, a fundamental footwork move. Start in a squat, balanced on your toes with a straight back. Move your right foot forward while kicking your left leg back. Bring your right foot back, then move your left foot forward. Finally, step your right leg under your body, returning to the squat. This circular motion builds core strength and agility, essential for floor work. Practice this clockwise and counterclockwise for full mastery. Now, let's learn the baby freeze, an impressive yet easy static pose. Start by kneeling on one knee, placing your opposite hand on the floor. Tuck that same elbow firmly into your hip bone for solid support. Gently place the side of your head on the ground, creating a tripod with your hands and head. Then, lift your legs, balancing your body in this frozen position. This move requires more technique than strength, making it perfect for beginners. Consistent practice is key to mastering breakdance. Always warm up for 10 to 20 minutes with top rocks to get your blood flowing. After warming up, stretch for 5 to 10 minutes to improve flexibility and prevent injuries. Practice new moves in sets of 5 to 10 repetitions, taking short rests in between. Dedicate several times a week to practice, but remember to allow your body adequate rest and recovery. Listen to your body and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.